Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I brought my friend.
Hey! No, I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my ACE medical insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covered one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our ACE Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our ACE Medical app will provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join ACE Medical Insurance today.
New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.
In Ghana, hair means a lot of things. When you see that beautiful car you've always dreamed about.
Yes, the fourth generation.
Or when you can't believe that unimaginable toli your friend is telling you. But the hair of all hairs is that heavenly feel when you bite a slice of Papa's Pizza.
Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it. Papa's Pizza. Taste it, love it.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt, Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Dole yogurt, Dole yogurt.
Dad, including mocha, Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt? Hey! Coconut!
Hey! Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
Our milk. This advert is FDA approved.
New look, new bottle, same irresistible taste. Available in your nearest shop.
This advert is FDA approved.
Welcome to the 2021 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. This is the prelim stage from the Northern Zone, where schools that have qualified from the regional championships will battle it out to progress the 1/8 stage of the competition. This is our last contest for the prelim stage. The competing schools in this last contest are Tamale Senior High School, Bongo Senior High School, and St. Francis Girls Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Tamale SHS is represented by
Mohammed Abukar.
Yahya Mohammed.
And then we have Bongo Senior High School represented by
Ayone, God bless.
Anambo John.
Okay. And then to our ladies from St. Francis Girls.
Adongo Atalia.
Abdurrahman Ajara Sogolara.
I am Dr. Thelma Ohinieje of the University of Ghana School of Pharmacy, and I am your quiz mistress. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Absa Bank and supported by Joy News, Girl, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Airtel Tigo, Dano Milk, Joy Industries, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, Adanse Travels, Kenya Airways, Zipline, GTP, and YFM. This is a primetime production. To our schools, these are the rules of the competition. The competition will come to you in 5 rounds. At the beginning of every round, I'll give you the rules for that particular round. So for round 1, I'd ask you questions that will test your knowledge in concepts in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. If a question comes to your school as a major question, you'd have 30 seconds to answer if there are calculations. If there are no calculations, I'll take an answer in 10 seconds and in 1 attempt. If you answer correctly, you'll be awarded 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, you don't get any points for that. There's no penalty for that. That's if it's a major question. But then the question becomes available to the other 2 schools as a bonus. And the first school to ring their bell and answer correctly would have a bonus point of 1. If the answer is incorrect, -1. In this round, I'll start from Tamale Senior High School. And it starts with a preamble to all the schools. Distinguish between fertilization and pollination in flowering plants with respect to the following. Distinguish between fertilization and pollination in flowering plants, sorry about that, with respect to the following. Tamale, the role of the pollen tube. The role of the pollen tube.
The pollen tube acts as a passageway of the pollen grains from the anther, through which it passes on top from the stigma to the ovule for fertilization to occur. And in pollination, it's only the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma.
And in pollination, what happens?
The pollen tube does not take part in the transformation, in the transportation of.
Yes. So in fertilization, male gametes are transferred through the pollen tube, but in pollination, it doesn't play any role. Okay. Bongo, the role of external agents. The role of external agents.
Madam.
Yes.
In pollination is affected by external agents such as wind and then insects. But for fertilization, external agents are not involved.
Yes, that is true. St. Francis Girls. Function. Function. Okay, but you don't need to ring the bell. Go ahead.
Fertilization brings about the fusion of the male and female gametes to produce offsprings, whilst pollination serves as a medium of transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma in order to initiate fertilization.
Yes, I'll give that to you. So the function of pollination is to initiate fertilization, whereas with fertilization, you want to form a zygote, so you form an embryo, and like you said, the offspring will follow. Okay. Tamale, Senior High School. Identify the nuclear species formed when oxygen-16 is bombarded with nitrogen-14 to produce fluorine-16. Yes.
A nuclide with atomic number 6 and mass number 14 and is likely to be carbon.
That is correct. Okay, Bongo. Identify the nuclear species formed when neon-20 is bombarded with deuterium to produce an alpha particle. Yes.
An element with mass number 18 and atomic number 9, and it's likely to be fluorine.
Yes, that's correct. St. Francis Girls. Identify the nuclide formed when chlorine-33 undergoes a positron decay.
Please, the nuclide formed is an element with atomic number 16 and mass number 32, and is likely to be sulfur.
Okay. Did you actually have a different answer, Tamale? Okay. A preamble. A particle is moving with constant acceleration. A particle is moving with constant acceleration. Find the acceleration if u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, given that a particle is moving with constant acceleration. Find the acceleration if u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, given that Tamale, u equals 2I plus 5j meters per second, and then v equals 5I minus 4j meters per second after 3 seconds. Yes.
I minus 3j meters per second squared.
That's correct. Bongo, u equals 10I plus 4j meters per second, and then v equals 2I plus 12j meters per second after 4 seconds. Yes.
Madam, minus 2I plus 2J meters per second square.
That's correct. St. Francis Girls, U equals minus 13I plus 5J meters per second. And then V equals 7I minus 10J meters per second after 5 seconds. Go ahead.
The acceleration is 4I minus 3J meters per second squared.
That's correct. A preamble. An object is projected at 80 meters per second from level ground at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. An object is projected at 80 meters per second from level ground at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal. Tamale, find the time the object remains airborne.
Eight seconds.
It's correct. Bongo, find the greatest height attained by the object.
Four meters.
That's not correct. Okay, it's not correct. Tamale, I'll allow you to take the bonus.
80 meters.
That is correct. St. Francis Girls, determine the speed of the object at the highest point in its trajectory. Determine the speed of the object at the highest point in its trajectory. Go ahead with the answer.
80 meters per second.
No, that's not correct. Okay, Tamale. Okay, Tamale.
0.
No. What answer did you have, Bongo? For no mark, what answer did you have?
0 meters per second.
You also had 0. No, I have 69 meters per second. Okay. A preamble. Describe DNA with respect to the following. DNA. So describe DNA with respect to the following. Tamale. Location. Location. Yes.
DNA is located in the nucleus of a cell.
That's correct. Bongo, structure. Structure.
DNA is a double helix.
I'll give it to you. St. Francis Girls, the major enzyme involved in propagation. The major enzyme involved in propagation. Yes.
DNA helicase.
Come again?
Helicase.
No. A bonus. Tamale.
DNA polymerase.
That is correct. Okay. Another preamble. Given the following reduction enthalpies, write the standard cell notation for the cell reactions occurring and indicate the value of the EMF. Given the following reduction enthalpies, write the standard cell notation for the cell reactions occurring and indicate the value of the EMF. They have 30 seconds for this. So, Tamale Senior High School, SN2 plus / SN. The enthalpy there is minus 0.137 volts. Then Fe3 plus / Fe2 plus. The enthalpy is 0.770 volts.
So the soil notation will be SN stroke SN2 plus double stroke Fe3 plus stroke Fe2 plus. And the EMF will be plus 0.907 volts.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. And I'll come back to why. Bongo. SN4 plus / SN2 plus. The enthalpy is 0.148 volts. PB4 plus / PB2 plus. Enthalpy is 1.667 volts. Bonus, Tamale. You are bailed out, so a bonus to Tamale.
The cell notation will be SN2 plus stroke SN4 plus double stroke PB4 plus stroke PB2 plus, and then the initial EMF will be plus 1.519 volts.
For a bonus, I won't give it. St. Francis Girls. TI2 plus / TI. Enthalpy is minus 0.163 volts. Then U4 plus / U3 plus. Enthalpy is minus 0.609 volts.
The cell reaction.
We have 2U3 plus T2 plus going to 2U4 plus TI. And the EMF is plus 0.772 volts.
No. A bonus. Okay. So these are the answers I have. Tamale, SN stroke SN2 plus double stroke FE2 plus FE3 plus stroke PT. That was missing. Your enthalpy was correct, so I gave you 2 out of 3. Okay? For Bongo, your answer PT stroke SN2 plus SN4 plus double stroke PB4 plus PB2 plus stroke PT. The EMF 1.519, which Tamale got, but the notation was incorrect, and for bonus, I couldn't give you any mark for that. St. Francis Girls, PT stroke U3 plus U4 plus double stroke TI2 plus stroke TI. The EMF is 0.446 volts. Another preamble. The measures of three angles are in the ratio of 4:3:2. Find the degree measures if the measures of three angles are in the ratio of 4:3:2. Find the degree measures if Tamale, second and third angles together form a straight angle. Yes.
108 degrees, 72 degrees, and 80 degrees.
Repeat that.
108 degrees, 72 degrees, and 80 degrees.
80. 2 out of 3. Bongo. The first and third angles are supplementary. The first and third angles are supplementary. Okay, bonus. Were they bailed out? Were they bailed out? Okay, I would allow you to answer.
60 degrees, 80 degrees, and 40 degrees.
No. Okay, St. Francis. The three angles add up to a straight angle.
The first one is 80 degrees, the second one is 60 degrees, and the third one is 40 degrees.
Yes, that is correct. So, Tamale, your angles are 144, 108, and 72. So you gave me 2 of them right, and I gave you 2 out of 3. Bongo, your angles are 60, 90, and 120. Because Tamale, 60 and 20 don't add up, they won't be supplementary, are they? Your answer. So 120, 90, and 60. That was the answer I was expecting. Then St. Francis girls, right, 80, 60, and 40. Okay. Tamale, find the density of an object that weighs 50.0 newtons in air and 42.0 newtons when completely immersed in a fluid of density 1.00 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Go ahead. When you have an answer, just go ahead.
6.25 times 10 exponent 3 kilogram per meter cube.
That's correct. Bongo. Find the density of an object that weighs 50.0 newtons in air and 44.0 newtons when completely immersed in a fluid of density 0.900 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, a bonus to Tamale.
7.50 times 10 exponents 3 kilogram per meter cube.
That's correct. St. Francis Girls. Find the density of an object that weighs 64.0 newtons in air and 59.0 newtons when completely immersed in a fluid of density 1.00 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Yes.
5.0 times 10 to the power 3 kilogram meter cube.
No. Tamale.
1.28 by 10 to the 4 kilogram per meter cube.
That is correct. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha. Kaba has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocolate. Hey! Coconut.
Hey! Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Mommy is coming! Mommy is coming!
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole.
At the end of round 1, here are the scores. St. Francis Girls Senior High School, 12 points. Bongo Senior High School, 12 points. Tamale Senior High School, 23 points. Round 2. Round 2 is the speed race. And here, each question is open to all 3 schools at the same time. If you think you have an answer, ring your bell. I'll stop and I'll allow you to answer. If you answer correctly, the first school that answers correctly has 3 points. If the answer is incorrect, it becomes available to the other 2 schools. By that point, it is worth 2 points. If the second answer is incorrect, it becomes available to the last school if they want to attempt it, but for 1 point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, there's a penalty point of 1. So our first question. Evaluate the definite integral. The integral from -2 to 2 of 3x squared minus 4x dx. Tamale.
Minus 16.
No. No, never mind. Don't worry.
16.
Yes, it's 16. Okay. Our second question. A particle moves with velocity v equals 5 plus kt squared meters per second on a straight line. The acceleration after 2 seconds is 12 meters per second. Find the value of the constant k. Tamale.
3.
Yes, that's right. The perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 5 centimeters is 20 centimeters. Find the sector angle in radians. Bongo.
4 radians.
No. Okay, it's 2 radians. What name is given to the proteinaceous layer? Okay, let me listen to the answer.
The aileron layer.
That is correct. Okay, our next question. Okay. Our next question. In sarcomeres, the thick filament is composed of which protein? Please let me listen to the answers before you,
Myosin.
That is correct. Our next question. Which bone cell is responsible for resorping bone matrix? Yes, Tamale.
Osteoclast.
That is correct. Okay. Our next question. Given the atomic masses of magnesium, boron, and oxygen as 24, 11, and 16 grams per mole respectively, determine the mass of 2.0 moles of magnesium borate, Mg3, then bracket BO3, bracket close 2. Tamale.
380 grams.
That is correct. Okay, our next question. Determine the maximum amount in grams of ammonia produced when 11.2 grams each of hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas react according to the equation N2 plus 3H2, it's in equilibrium with 2NH3. Take atomic mass of nitrogen and hydrogen as 14.0 and 1.00 respectively. Yes, Tamale.
13.6 grams.
That is correct. Determine. Okay, so can we have some silence so they can hear me and I don't have to shout? Okay. Determine the sum of the stoichiometric coefficients of all reactants and products present in a balanced equation of the reaction. C2H2 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Tamale.
13.
That is correct. Our last set of questions for this round. Our last set of questions. Find the time constant of a series RC circuit in which C equals 50 microfarad and R equals 300 kilo ohms. Give me, yes, Tamale.
45 seconds.
No. Okay, I have 15 seconds. A sine wave signal has a peak value of 18.0 volts. What is the root mean square value of the signal? Tamale.
12.7 volts.
Yes, yes. Find the magnitude of the force of a 12 volt per meter electric field exerts on a 4 millicoulomb point. Yes, Tamale.
48 millinewtons.
No. Oh, okay, I didn't finish. The electric field exerts on a 4 millicoulomb point charge. That's the complete, yeah. Yes, Bongo.
48 millinewton.
That's what they said. I said no. I have 80 millinewtons. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Have you cleaned the kitchen? Done all the chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it's time for
Dole yogurt. Dole yogurt. Everybody, grab Dole. It's delicious, creamy, and refreshing too. Mommies love it, and dads enjoy it, and the children, they love it. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Raise a cup, it's Dole yogurt. Raise a cup, it's Dole. Dole yogurt, dole yogurt.
Dad, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. Including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha, Cabo has 5 flavors: strawberry, banana, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Chocomalt. Coconut.
Nutritious and refreshing, Cowbell has a flavor for everyone.
They think I don't know.
This advert is FDA approved.
Emergency situations demand urgent attention. This, and that can happen to anyone. Hospitals will not negotiate payments with you. How prepared are you?
Unless I borrow from a friend.
Hey, no, I have no choice than to use the money I've saved up for rent for hospital bill.
I'm well prepared. I have my ACE medical insurance card.
Prepare yourself for unexpected situations like these. Get yourself a backup plan, an affordable yet full covered one. Can't visit the hospital? No worries, we've got you covered with our telemedicine service. Can't go to the pharmacy for your prescribed medications? Our ACE Pharmacy on Wheels will handle that. Oh, and lastly, our ACE Medical app will provide you with all the necessary information about our packages and services. Enjoy the best there is in healthcare insurance with us. Join ACE Medical Insurance today.
At the end of the second round, here are the scores. Bongo Senior High School, 10 points. St. Francis Girls Senior High School, 14 points. Tamale Senior High School, 44 points. Round 3 is where we have the problem of the day. And at stake in this round is the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ Star. This NSMQ Star is awarded to the team that earns a perfect score of 10 points for the problem of the day. At this stage, a star is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis to the team. And this is what happens in this round. I'll present a problem to you, and I expect a solution from you on the board in 4 minutes. At the end of 4 minutes, I'll come to the board, look at your solutions, and give you marks. I'll come to my seat. We'll all go through the solution as presented by the consultants, and then I'll explain how I awarded the marks. You can now flip over your script so we read the problem of the day together. A hydrocarbon has the molecular formula C5H10. Give the names of all possible structures of the hydrocarbon. Give the names of all possible structures of the hydrocarbon with molecular formula C5H10. age 10. Start work. Stop work and sit down. Okay.
Dad, including mocha, Kaba has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate, coconut. What's the 5th one?
Banana.
Banana?
Okay, Dad. including mocha. Cowbell has 5 flavors: banana, strawberry, chocolate malt, and coconut. What is the 5th one?
Strawberry.
No.
Are you feeling hot?
Honey, including mocha.